Hello, everyone. Well, my name is Franklin. Your favorite pharmacist. All right, I would like to share my own view about the whole killer cough syrup that have been going on the social media. A lot of people have come out to condemn cough syrups, that it's not good for children and all sorts. But let us take our mind back. There was a time when we had a toxic substance in amlodipine. Amlodipine is a medication used to take care of high blood pressure in adults, right? Obviously, adults, yeah. So, when drugs get contaminated, the right thing to do is to fish them out and take it off the system. But creating panic doesn't solve the problem. I still believe, for instance, we had codeine. Codeine is totally out of the market, right? Yeah, codeine is out of the market, but that still doesn't solve the problem of drug abuse. So my point here is, when we say children don't need cough syrups, what do they do when they are coughing? They need cough syrups, right? But now, parents, all you need to do is to make sure you're getting your prescription from your doctor for the cough syrup, and getting your medicine from a registered pharmacy or from a pharmacy that you trust, period. And that solves a lot of problem for you. But I'm not in the part of creating panics about this. There is going to be toxic substance discovered in drugs, and that's why quality control is being carried out in drugs. So there's no need for the panic. So talking about these cough syrups particularly, it's currently in Gambia. It's not in Nigeria, so to say. It's not even in Nigeria yet, hopefully. And it contains some toxic substance. There's a particular, we'll call it vehicle in the pharmaceutical language. There's a vehicle used in manufacturing these syrups, right? Propylene glycol. But for some reasons, the Maida company, I hope that's their name, in India, did not use propylene glycol. Instead, they use diethylene glycol, and that's totally different. Is it diethylene? Well, they used another chemical instead as a vehicle, which is toxic. So this what happens when children take this. They do not urinate. It's more like their excretory system is affected, and it leads to death. So there's no need to create panic. Make sure you plug in with your trusted pharmacy. Speak with your pharmacist. Get your doctor's prescription for your children's supplements. Your children's syrups. And that solves the problem for you. So there's no need to panic, my dear people. It is Franklin here. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Yeah.